Climate change is hitting the pockets of Solomon Islanders, with experts warning of rising economic costs discussed at a major finance workshop in Honiara. Andrea Maahanua reports.
Climate change is affecting more than just the environment. It's also draining the pockets of ordinary Solomon Islanders. The growing concern over climate-related economic losses was a key focus at the recent CBSI-ADB-APAEA Joint Workshop held in Honiara.
It is no longer just an environmental issue. It's a key economic one. For small island economy like ours, climate events directly affect food prices, infrastructure and trade. When supply chains are disrupted by floods, storms and droughts, prices rise. Our people bear the effects of climate-induced inflation through higher cost of goods and services. While global energy and commodity markets have remained relatively stable in recent times due to muted global demand, the risk from climate-related shocks persists.
Minister Ramaphosa says academic research can play an important role in shaping strong, climate-resilient domestic monetary and fiscal policies for the future.
This means our monetary policy frameworks need to account for climate risk and potential price volatility. Fiscal policy also has a role to play. By investing in climate-resilient infrastructure that makes our economy more resilient, and by supporting and shift towards renewable energy. The research on how climate change affects inflation in Solomon Islands is especially relevant. It gives us local evidence on how these global issues are shaping our economy, and how monetary and fiscal tools can work together to keep prices stable while maintaining macroeconomic stability as well as building climate-resilient economy.
A 2024 report from the International Monetary Fund reveals that Solomon Islands would need to spend an additional 6.9% of its projected 2030 GDP each year to meet both climate adaptation and sustainable development goals. Andrea Maahanua for SIBC TV.